So, ito yung gift na na-receive ko, guys. So, yan. I don't know ano yan. So, ito. Lahat ng gift nilagay ko dito kasi wala kaming Christmas tree. Hindi ako nakapagawa ng Christmas tree. So, yan ang mga gift na bubuksan ko. So, we'll see kung sino to galing. So, yan. So, ito na, guys. Unahin ko yung pinaka-malaki. So, ito, nabuksan ko naman to sa isa ko pang vlogs. So, ito is from Leia, my honey Leia, to Jen, from Ryan and Leia. Thank you for this. And there's a card as well. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, all the best for 2021. So, love from us, Leia and Ryan. Thank you very much for your very, very kind and very generous. So, nakita naman yun to, guys. Sa ibang pero ulitin ko lang. Just do it again. So, I got a bag. Forever new. Backpack. Yes. Thank you, Leia. Thank you for this. It's very kind talaga. Thank you. More blessings to come. Hopefully, one day, ako mapagbigay naman. Ako naman ang magbigay din. So, ang sunod ito. So, this one is from Leia again. So, perfume, guys. Thank you. Siguradong mabango-bango na ako nito. Thank you. Thank you, Han and Leia. Han, Leia, and Ryan. Super kind talaga. Super bait. So, tapos na to, guys. And next is from... This one is from some other friend. This is from Ivy and family, and Joe. So buksan natin, guys, kung ano ang laman. Oh, may something special pa, guys. Parang nakakatakot lang. Wow, very nice, very pretty. Pink dress, guys. Thank you, Ivy. Merry Christmas. So, yan. So, at saka, mayroon pang ang ganda pang pagka-wrap, guys. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. So, sayang naman. Pupunitin. So, okay lang. Dapat buksan. So, it's better to give than to receive, guys. So, makapagbigay din naman tayo one day. Tignan natin ka na to. Wow, tingnan nyo, guys. Pink watch. Women's color watch from Ivy. Thank you, Ivy. You're very sweet talaga. Oh my God. Very pink. Love it. Thank you. Thank you, Ivy and June. Hello, guys. Susuot ko na. Thank you, Ivy. It's very pretty talaga. Pinky. So, sunod, guys. Sunod natin buksan ang ito, galing kay Marilyn. My card yata to si Marilyn dito. Go, Jen. Yeah, this is the card, guys, from Marilyn, my friend. So, Jen, have a very Merry Christmas from Lynn. Thank you, Lynn. Marilyn. Thank you very much. So, buksan natin, guys. Ang bigay ni Lynn. Again. Nakaka-touch talaga, guys. Touchy. Christmas is about giving, so thank you, Lynn. Ferrero chocolate from Lynn and ano too. Scarf, you guys. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you. Ang mga burluloy ko. Burluloy. Bakit ang dami, Lynn? So, tingnan mo, guys. Grabe, nakaka-touch talaga, no? Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. So, basta mabait na bata, guys. Maraming nagmamahal. Thank you. Terno pala, guys. Paris-paris lang siya. Ang dami naman ito, Lynn. Thank you, Lynn, for this one. Ganda. Promise. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kakayak, guys. Then, meron ako natanggap dito, guys, na gift card from work. So, sa work ito. So, thank you. Meron kaming gift card para sa trabaho namin. Thank you. At saka, meron din tayong, ito pala ang card ni Ivy. Dear Jane and Shane, Happy holidays. May the Lord grant you joy, peace, and strength for the coming year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Lots of love, Joe, Ivy, and family. So nice. Thank you, Ivy. And I received another card, guys. From who? To Jen and family. Wishing you a fun-filled Christmas and Happy New Year from Lee, Cindy, and family. Thank you, Lee and Cindy. So, nakaka-touch talaga, guys. Thank you. And then, may isang sobre ako dito, pero hindi ko sabi kung saan to galing. Saan nandito yung laman? Kasha, guys. May Kasha kung natanggap. Thank you. I know who you are. No need to mention kasi ayaw mong i-mention kita. So, thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, guys. Welcome back. Merry Christmas. December 25. So, Christmas Day. So, ngayon, meron pa rin kaming mga regalong dumadating galing sa aming mga good friends. So, this one is from Alan, our friend. Alan, Cheryl, and Aaron. So, but they have one each, darling. One each.
One each from everyone.
So this is from Alan to Jen and Shane. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love from Cheryl, Ted, and Aaron. Thank you. Thank you very much. Another blessings, another gift. And then the next one is a card from Aaron. Wait, the money. Oh, we got the cash again. $50. To George, Shane, and Jen. Wishing you peace and joy at Christmas from Aaron. And peace, said step brother. Oh, from a step brother. Thank you. And the last one is from Cheryl, Ted, and Aaron. Sa kanila to lahat, guys. So, to Jersey and Merry Christmas. So, it's time to open our gift. guys, from Cheryl, Ted, and Aaron. Let's open it. So, wow, love it. Pina, thank you, Cheryl, Ted, and Aaron, for the nice Christmas presents, and to everyone, so we can feel the spirit of Christmas because
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Thank you for the presents.
Thank you. We love it. And God bless you all for the next 2021. And thank you, Bobby, for my Christmas present. Love it.
Love you.
Love you, Mom.
Love everybody.
Love you all. Merry Christmas. Ito pa guys, ang regalo natanggap ko galing kay Paz. At thank you, Paz. At Paz at Zaz. So, let's bukas-bukas kung anong laman ito. Thank you. So, Christmas. Ang araw ng Jesus ay nabubuhay. SJ. Nakapangalan. Sarang, ang gandang pagkabalot. Christmas time is time for giving, and caring, loving, and ayaw ko naman itong buksan kasi ang ganda-ganda pagkabalot. Pyrex. Wow, double wall glass mugs. Thank you, Paz. Another Christmas. Buksan natin itong isa. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Wow, coconut vanilla. Muzi. Ibigay. Thank you sa mga regalo na receive. God bless you all sa lahat ng nagbigay. Oh, thank you. Nice smell. Pabango siya, guys. It's like, oh, thank you, Paz. Thank you very much, and Jasmine, for your generosity, and everyone. Annie, thank you, everything, to my friends, all of you. Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.